Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can purchase like Fashionwave store items from from other DG members in Heartopia. So you're actually able to purchase it from like other people in the town. So if you talk to Azure here, go to Fashionwave and select Fashionwave store. There's the DG member friend purchase section. So basically, for instance, you want to purchase this bed and it's not in your store, you can actually purchase it from like other DG members. So for instance, I want this bed. So I have to track this person. I'm tracking them right now. Let me see where this person is. I just tracked him. What the? Wait. What's going on? Hold on. Oh, okay. That person's right here. So you're just going to click the store icon here and then press the market selection and select the item you want to purchase. It says applications remaining 2. So if somebody else has applied, obviously you cannot purchase from them again. Sorry, from them. Like if applications remaining are 0, that means you can't. Make sure you also give them like food because they will need 30 energy from it. Here I'll show like a little video of like my friend requesting it. So they have to accept it first and it will take 30 energy from them. So make sure to give them food first. And yeah, that is pretty much what it does. Other DG members are able to purchase from you too. But yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.